Hey, and welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to talk about OG or Open Graph images in Webflow. So what are Open Graph images? Imagine you have your website and you are sharing this website on any of the socials. So could be LinkedIn, could be Twitter, could be WhatsApp or anything like that. Sometimes, these like small images and small description of your website pops up. And that's basically the Open Graph information. And this is an information that we can give the user ourselves. So for example, if we check for Vertical Hub right now, if I open up, okay, there's no real description about a Vertical Hub, and there's also no preview images that we can share basically to the social platform. So how to change this is we go into the Webflow designer and then we have the opportunity to add the Open Graph information in here. Obviously, we need a URL here that we input for the image that we want to show. And we can easily grab that by uploading the image that we want to use to our Webflow image library. So I'm just going to pick one. And I will also do another video on how to design those. And then I can just copy the link asset to my clipboard, go back to the settings and put in the Open Graph image here. And as you can see now, we have this preview. And really, really important, you can change the Open Graph image for any of your pages. So for example, on your privacy policy page, there can be a different image than on your homepage. And now I'm reloading it and I will try this preview for the Open Graph images again. So I check the website. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time to populate, but here, as you can see now on Twitter, X, LinkedIn, and all of these platforms, if I will share the website, it will show the OG image. And also I have another video on how to change the title and the description of it. Basically, very, very easy. You can also go here into the settings, change the Open Graph title, Open Graph description, or say it should be the same as the meta title and meta description. And yeah, then you are good to go and can share your website all across the web. If you like the video, follow for more. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments. Bye-bye.